What's up, guys? ManyFaceImpressions here. I'm back again. Like I said, I'm going to start posting every week. So, today, I got a pretty cool video in store for you guys. Also, for some reason, I'm wearing these headphones, even though they don't want to work. So, that's annoying. Anywho, we are going to start. We're going to be doing 35 animal sound effects. Anyway, so I'm going to start from 1 to 35, same with the other video like I did. And yeah, hope you guys enjoy. We're going to start very soon in 3, 2, 1. Gotta have the countdown every time. Let's go. I did 3 different types of dogs right there, so I don't know. They could be really any dog for the most part. They have very similar barks, but changes depending on the dog breed. Again, with cats, I can't really do the higher pitched ones for some reason. I don't know why, but oh, I do know why. Because my voice is deep. Guinea pig. I used to have one. He would always react to that in the cutest ways. Rest in peace, my boy. What? Got a problem? I love my pets. I love all of them. Huh? Is that a problem? Is that a problem? Is that a problem? Is that... Oh my god. That was like a demon pig. Like all Minecraft-y kind. Ooh. This one gets all of them to react as well. Moo. I used to own a ton of these, and they used to always react to this. Watch this. So these two are going to sound very similar, but there is a difference. Let's see if you guys can tell the difference. Can y'all tell the difference? It's pretty easy, so. Rawr XD. Bullfrog. Ha, they all react to that one too for some reason. That one might not be too loud, so long as you... I think that sounded good. I don't know. Again, this stupid mic doesn't work for some reason. I know this isn't a cricket, but anyway. Sorry, that was a horrible elephant. I'm just gonna act like I never did that. Ooh, my favorite animal. One of my favorites, at least. It's basically them telling you, hey, get out of our moat or we're going to kill you. Because hippopotamuses are extremely dangerous. So, if you're ever in Africa, be careful. Oh, oh, my throat. Oh, anywho, yeah, lion. Oh, you guys are gonna hate me for this one. Let's see if you guys understand why I did that. See how many people are actually know animals and how they work. Alright, here's my 6'9" impression. Hope you liked it. Trash panda. Again, not sponsored, sorry. Shout out to Wolf for this one. Sounds like a donkey, not even a goose. There's an extra one, why not? So for this one I'm going to do two different variants of it, because you have domestic and you have wild, because they kind of make different noises but kind of don't, because the wild one's more of a... It just sounds like another donkey. There we go. And then the domestic one is more of a... Turkey. Gobble gobble. I'm gonna eat you. Keegan, if you're watching this, you already know. Pigeons. Smithy, if you're watching this, you know this bird. Fucking love kookaburras. Excuse my language, but I love that bird. Speaking of loving birds, here's another one. Hello! 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 My throat. Like a fucking... Well, that was my attempt on 35 different animal sounds. Well, 36 if you count a little bit of a donkey I did. There it is again. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this. Yeah, it's a pretty short video, but I wanted to get something out to you guys. Plus, I had this idea for a while now. So I hope you guys enjoyed my little praying mantis. She's missing a bit of her forelimb, so I took her in. So yeah, she's a cutie pie. So is the other one I have. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this. Make sure you leave a like, subscribe, share the video, show your mom, show your dad, show your dog, show your cat, because they'll enjoy this video for sure. If you have a grizzly bear, show him, maybe he'll like it. Show a pet lion, I don't know, chimpanzee. I know one of you guys has chimpanzee. I'm calling you right now. It's probably you, Joe. I'm listening to you. I know you got a chimpanzee, bro. You better have an exotic license for that. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. I said that 300 times, but I'm gonna keep saying it. This is filler. I will catch you guys next time. Peace, 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 peace.